Okay, good morning. Balik muna tayo sa ano ngayon, no? Balik muna tayo sa vlog this time on philosophy. Okay, pahinga muna tayo sa math. Okay, for today we'll try to discuss one distinct philosophy, that is the philosophy of pragmatism. Okay, we will try to make use of another philosophy, idealism, so as to describe, no, much more clearly ano ba yung tinatawag nating pragmatism. Let's look at the basic difference first of the two, no? Pragmatism versus idealism. Okay, in idealism, what determines truth? Eto, no? What's in the mind determines what is true. Okay, kung ano rin nasa isip natin, that is the basis of what is true, no? Quite unlike the belief, no, of pragmatists. For pragmatists, ang tingin nila, it is not the idea, no, that is in our mind that determines just what is true and real. Okay, in pragmatism, ano yung basis of determining whether a thing is true or unreal or real? Basically, eto, no, what works determines what is true. Okay, let's take as an example yung success, no? Okay, success is both a goal, no, of pragmatists and idealists. However, when we try to check, no, ano yung formula, for example, in achieving success, no, for those of the idealists, the common formula is you have to be good, no? Okay, so under idealism, the belief is that what is good succeeds. Okay, pagka mabuti kang tao, no, the same goodness will lead you to success. However, in the case of pragmatism, it's a different thing, no? It doesn't matter whether it's bad or good. The more important thing is the result end up, no, being a success. Okay, so eto yon, no, ito yung big differences, no, distinction of pragmatism against that of idealism. Okay, bigay tayo ng example, no, in Philippine politics. How does pragmatism try to justify, no, yung that of success being not necessarily a result of being good or bad? Pag tinignan mo sa Pilipinas ngayon, maraming successful, no, but the same success did not necessarily sprang from being good or bad, no. Halimbawa, marami tayong mga corrupt politicians, no, who became wealthy out of those acts of corruption, no? But just the same, the means employed by these personalities are bad, but just the same, you look at their stature in society, no? Sila yung mga successful sa society. Okay? Which debunks the belief, no, the formula of idealists, which hinge on positive values, no, as formula to success. Pag tinignan natin, ang daming mga masisipag, no, sa Pilipinas, but just the same, ang daming mga masisipag straight, no, but the result, pag tinignan natin, they remain unsuccessful or may hirap. Okay, quite different sa reality, no, na kung sino yung mga corrupt, no, sila yung yumayaman sa Pilipinas. Okay, again, no, balikan natin an difference between pragmatism and idealism. Sa pragmatist, ayan, no, what works determines what is true and real, no. Quite different to the belief of idealists in which sinasabi nila what's in the mind determines what is true. Okay? So, reality of things in pragmatism is determined through result. Okay? So, dito parang papasok yung isa sa mga lines ni Niccolo Machiavelli, no? Yung sinasabi niya na the end justifies the means. Hindi importante kung ano yung means na ginamit mo. The more important thing is na-achieve mo, no? Yung objective or goal mo. Okay? So that's it for pragmatism versus idealism.